very proud to greet you and welcome you because of your efforts that you have utilized in your studies. And Alhamdulillah, you are now reaping the things that you have done during the time of your studies. You have known the wudu, the proper wudu. You have known the proper salah. That's why we are very glad and we are very proud to be your teachers. And that only shows that you are becoming true Muslims.
Avant l'islam, j'étais athée, c'est-à-dire je croyais en rien du tout. Pour moi, on mange, on dort, on vit et on meurt, sans objectif.
Islam is a religion that I've loved since I was small.
Every Thursday night, I will go to the church. Usually, I am stay from around 4 o'clock p.m. to until the other day morning, alone at night. No one is there in the church. Just I am thinking, what is the truth? Who is the God?
That time, I had a confusion. I had a doubt because I asked myself, why those Muslims, they are believing also in Jesus Christ, the teachings of Jesus Christ.
When I was Christian, there was always confusion because they have 3 gods, and I never understand why there was 3 gods. So when I started to read the Quran, and the basic idea of Quran is that the God is only one. So I start to read more and more.
I go to the room of my friends and I look one books and I tell him, my friend, you read that books? He tell me, no, if you want, I give to you.
Je me suis assis dans ma chambre et j'ai commencé à réfléchir, à méditer. Est-ce que Dieu il existe? Dieu il n'existe pas? Et Shaitan, il a commencé à me faire des waswas. Il a commencé à me dire comme quoi que si Dieu il existerait, il n'y aurait pas de guerre, il n'y aurait pas d'orphelins, il n'y aurait pas de malades, il n'y aurait pas de pauvres.
عندما كنت في الهند أعجبتني محاسن الإسلام من خلال ملاحظتي للمسلمين وكيفية صلاتهم ومعاملاتهم مع الناس.
I was born in Christian, I was baptized in Christian, but I can tell you that the people that you can trust to do business with is the Muslim people. They are loving people, good people.
The first problem in Christianity is that there is no proper source of information because there is too many Bibles.
In the Bible, Jesus Christ never mentioned that he was a God.
I am in front of one statue. At midnight, I am praying to Jesus. Please try to find out me, try to show me the truth. Without word, without what Bible, just own my word. I asking him because I don't know if Jesus is God or not. So suddenly I found something, sound. What happened? His head broken and fall down. The statue. But no one there is to break his head. So I found if he is asking, I am asking to Jesus to find out my way, how come his head is down there?
J'ai demandé à voix haute, j'ai dit, Dieu si tu existes, Allah si tu existes, je veux un signe.
Exactly in front of the church. Okay? So one guy fall down because I drive a motorbike. So he came by a normal pedestrian bike. So he fall down. When he fall down, he told Allahu Akbar. When I hear this one, I thought, who is this? Who is he calling?
Donc je me suis dirigé vers la salle de prière. Et je suis rentré dans la salle de prière. Donc c'était une toute petite salle avec un tout petit peu de lumière et tout ça. Et donc quand je suis rentré, tout de suite on m'a accueilli. Je me suis assis, il y avait des gens qui étaient là, présents et tout ça. Et c'est un Français converti aussi qui m'a appris la shahada, l'attestation.
I took my shahada on April 5, 2013. And I also informed my family about this. And my brother told me that, are you insane or are you crazy? I just told him that don't say anything for the thing that you don't understand.
I want to do Fajr, Salatul Fajr. What I am doing normally, I put my track it and I run away, run the beach. Then my parents told, why are you doing? I'm trying to practice something, you know. I'm going directly to the masjid. They don't know.
J'avais peur que mes parents ils m'attrapent, surtout mon père, il m'attrape à faire la prière. Donc pendant 1 an, j'ai fait la prière dans le hammam.
Before, I don't wake up very early. But before 3 a.m. in the morning, something will wake me up. Before 2:30 in the morning, I will find myself up to prepare to go and pray in the morning. I think I'm well relaxed in my spirit. I'm okay with Islam.
Islam is peace, love, mercy, brotherhood. That is the meaning of Islam for me now.
When I received Islam, I felt peace. This is what I was looking for.
We have many sins that Allah will forgive, unless one thing. If you make another God except Allah.
أشهد
أن
لا إله
لا إله
إلا الله
إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله وبرئت من كل دين يخالف الإسلام. الله أكبر.